If Squarespace is giving you the error, there was an error, retry with the same file. Don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This usually happens when an image file has metadata, privacy information, or a file format issue that Squarespace doesn't like. The good news is that there's a simple workaround that often solves the problem fast, and you can get your image uploaded without wasting time guessing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, find the image file on your computer and right-click it. On Windows, choose Properties, then go to the Details tab. At the bottom, you'll see an option that says Remove Properties and Personal Information. Click that option, then confirm by clicking OK. This clears out any extra information that may be causing the upload issue. If you're on a Mac, open the file information and check for anything related to image details or hidden file data. Then make sure the file is saved cleanly. The next thing you want to do is make sure your image is in the correct color profile. If possible, save the file as an sRGB version because Squarespace works best with that format for web uploads. Once you've saved the clean version of the image, go back to Squarespace. Cancel out of the page editor if you're stuck on the error screen and return to your main left-hand sidebar menu. From there, click Asset Library. This is where Squarespace stores reusable files that can be inserted into your pages without uploading them again and again. Now drag and drop your newly saved sRGB file directly into the central storage area of the asset library. Let it fully upload and populate in the library before moving on. Once the file appears there, go back to the page you were editing. Add your image block as normal, but this time, instead of uploading the file from your computer again, click Select from Library. Choose the image you just uploaded to the asset library and insert it into your page. This method often bypasses the error entirely because Squarespace is pulling in the cleaned up file from its own library instead of trying to process the original upload again. If the image appears correctly, save your changes and preview the page to make sure everything looks right. And that's it. You fixed the Squarespace upload error and used the asset library to get your image onto the page successfully. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy website fixes and Squarespace tips.